You have probably heard about the ChatGPT tool, the new AI bot that can help you make millions of dollars by starting a business. Welcome to our video on how to generate money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a robust language model created by OpenAI that may be used for a range of applications such as natural language creation, language translation, and text completion. In this video, we'll look at some of the most common ways to make money with ChatGPT and how you can get started. Part 1. Content creation. One of the most popular ways to use ChatGPT is for content creation. The model can be trained on a specific topic or genre and then used to generate new text based on that training. For example, you could train a model on a specific niche, such as travel writing, and then use it to generate blog posts, articles, or even books on the topic. You could then monetize this content by selling it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, direct publishing, or Medium. But how do you train the model for content creation? One way is to use a data set of text that is relevant to your desired topic. This data set is used to teach the model about the language and style used in the topic. You can use existing text or you can generate your own text to use as a data set. When generating your own text, make sure to include a variety of different styles, such as informative articles, personal blog posts, and even fiction writing. This will help the model to understand the nuances of the topic and to generate text that is more diverse and interesting. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate new text that is similar in style and language to the training dataset. This can be used to create new articles, blog posts, and even books on the topic. You can then monetize this content by selling it on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, direct publishing, or Medium. Another way to use ChatGPT for content creation is by creating chatbots that can answer customer questions on your website or social media channels. This can save you time and resources by automating customer service while also providing a more personalized experience for your customers. To create a chatbot, you will need to train the model on a dataset of customer questions and answers. This dataset is used to teach the model how to understand and respond to customer questions. Once the model is trained, it can be integrated into your website or social media channels to provide an automated customer service experience. You could monetize this by offering a paid subscription service for advanced features or by charging businesses to use your chatbot. This can be especially useful for businesses that have a large customer base, as it can help to reduce the workload for customer service representatives and provide a more efficient service for customers. Part 2. Language translation. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through language translation. The model can be trained on multiple languages and used to translate text from one language to another. This can be used in a variety of industries, such as e-commerce, where you could use the model to translate product descriptions for different languages. This could help you expand your customer base and increase sales. To train the model for language translation, you will need a data set of text in both the source language and the target language. This data set is used to teach the model how to translate between two languages. You can use existing text or you can generate your own text to use as a data set. When generating your own text, make sure to include a variety of different styles, such as informal conversation, technical writing, and even poetry. This will help the model to understand the nuances of the languages and to generate translations that are more accurate and natural sounding. Once the model is trained, it can be used to translate text from the source language to the target language. This can be used to create translated versions of your website, product descriptions, and other types of content. You can then monetize this by offering translation services to businesses or by creating and selling translated versions of your own content. In the e-commerce industry, you can use ChatGPT to automatically translate product descriptions, allowing you to expand your customer base and increase sales by reaching a wider audience. This can be especially useful for businesses that sell products globally, as it can help to increase the visibility of their products and make them more accessible to a wider audience. Part 3. Text completion. ChatGPT can also be used for text completion, where the model can finish a sentence or paragraph based on a given prompt. This can be used in a variety of industries, such as in software development, where you can use the model to generate code, or in the creative industry, where you can use the model to generate new ideas for a script or novel. You can monetize this by selling the generated text or by offering a paid service to generate text on demand. To train the model for text completion, you will need a data set of text that includes a variety of different prompts and their corresponding completions. This data set is used to teach the model how to complete a prompt based on its context. Once the model is trained, it can be used to generate completions for new prompts. In software development, you can use ChatGPT to generate code, allowing you to speed up the development process and reduce the workload for developers. This can be easily useful for businesses that specialize in software development, as it can help to increase efficiency and reduce costs. In the creative industry, you can use ChatGPT to generate new ideas for a script, novel, or other types of creative content. This can be especially useful for writers and other creatives who struggle with writer's block or who need inspiration for new projects. You can monetize this by selling the generated ideas or by offering a paid service to generate ideas on demand. These are just a few examples of how you can use ChatGPT to generate income. The possibilities are endless, and the model is constantly being improved, so the potential for new applications is always increasing. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT or other language models, be sure to check out the OpenAI website. And as always, be sure to do your own research and consult with professionals before investing time and resources into any business venture. Thanks for watching.